Okay, moment of truth. I am doing the second half of rapids, or second day of rapids, in a ducky. I gotta tell you, this is this moment where I am on that border of fear and excitement. So I know that it's something I want to try. I want to challenge myself. Because if you don't challenge yourself, you're never going to grow. You're never going to change. So here we go. I may fall in. We'll see how good these guys are at rescue.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. Right over here. We're going to do it right over here. Let's give her a second to catch her breath. Yep, you're good. All right, you can move that way. Ready? On three. You have your breath?
Yeah.
1, 2.